nung grade 9 ako, when I was grade 9, one of my friends, like, kwento lang to sa akin ng friend ko currently, nung nakita nila ako sa classroom as a new student. Ade, sabi ng girl na yun daw, oh my god, the new student's so pretty, let's not talk to her. Hindi ko alam kung matutuwa ba ako or ano. Tapos, parang may nangyari sa group of friends namin. They were like using code names, and then I'd ask like, huh, who's this? Who's that? Tapos sabi niya, oh no, it's just an inside joke. As in, like right in front of me, they're talking about that. And then, I find out na they're talking about me. It's a code name. And in my head, like, uso pala yung code names ngayon. Yung parang ganun. Tapos, so, kinausap ko sila. So, kinausap ko yung friend ko. Sabi ko, yung friend group na yun. Sabi ko lang na ano, so why are you guys talking about me? Parang, why can't you just say it to my face? Like, without the code name. Parang ganun. Tapos sabi niya, how did you know? And then I was like, I'm not gonna snitch on the person who told me. You know? And is that what's important? What's important, you know? Like, how did I know? That's what's important, not what you did. Anyways, we're friends na. And so, hindi ko na sila kinausap. Like, hindi ko sila kinausap nung day na yon. Kasi like, I don't need you. Like, kasi dati, honestly, may fear ako na mag-isa ako. I had the fear of like being alone. Pero, and dun ko na, like, I learned na, dang, I love being alone. Right? Yeah, and then, so, parang kumain, like nag-library na lang ako instead of kumain kasi ayoko kumain na mag-isa, ganun. So parang, tawag dito, after school, like, they went to me and was like, Mika, sorry, ganun, sorry sila. Then I was like, oh, it's okay, just don't do it again. Sabi ko ganun. Tapos nag-hug na kami. Okay, slay, friends. And I'm still currently, like, there's still one girl from that group na parang I still have connection. Like, we're still talking sometimes, you know, like, time to time. And then, alam niyo, 1 year lang yun. Tapos ang daming nangyaring groups na naghiwalay, nagkawatak-watak. Tapos, hello? Hi today? Ang daming tea. Although nag-enjoy naman, di ako nag-enjoy pala, sorry.